Struggling to manifest your soulmate relationship? I'm going to share with you 3 tips to become an energetic match to your soulmate relationship so that you can manifest it into your experience fast. Hi Love Bug, this is Priya, your Love Plus Manifestation Coach, and today these 3 tips that I'm going to be sharing with you is what allowed me to effortlessly manifest my husband into my reality with ease and speed. So let's get started. 3 tips to become an energetic match to your soulmate relationship. Tip number 1, acknowledge that you are never not manifesting. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, the way that your life currently stands at the moment is the result of your previous vibrations and vibrational patterns. What this means is that you are manifesting 24/7. And the real question is, are you manifesting intentionally and by purpose? Or are you manifesting by default, unconsciously? Now, if you want to go deeper into what I mean by this, you can watch my video here on how manifestation really works, and I will post a link in the description box below. Now, the reason why it's important to acknowledge that you are never not manifesting is because this allows you to create a gateway where you can then release lower dense energies from your past that is lowering your vibration and blocking off the manifestation of your dream relationship. Now, what do I mean by lower dense energies? I mean that so many people are playing the blame game. Something would have happened 20 years ago, a year ago, or even 3 weeks ago that people are carrying forward into their present moment. Perhaps you were someone who wasn't treated well in your previous relationship, or you're someone who repeatedly attracts similar type of men and women who are not exactly what you are looking for. I know for myself, I used to repeatedly attract men who were not ready for commitment when it came to relationships. And this is because I was playing the blame game. I would blame them for being the way that they are. I would blame them for the reason why things didn't work out. I'd be carrying around all this resentment. And here's the thing about that. It's a trap. Here's what happens when you are dwelling in the energy of blame and resentment. You lower your vibration, which blocks off the manifestation of your soulmate relationship. Now, conversely, when you acknowledge that you are never not manifesting, this means that you are taking full responsibility for all of your creations and all of your manifestations, which allows you to empower yourself. Once you empower yourself, you are able to naturally let go of blame and resentment. Now, when you do this, you have just created the energetic space to receive your dream relationship. For me personally, once I understood that I am never not manifesting, this was huge. I felt so liberated. It really allowed me to shift out of blame and resentment because I was like, okay, this means that I can now just rearrange my energy and to align it with what I want so that I can manifest my dream relationship. And this is exactly what I did. So you are now aware that when you acknowledge that you are never not manifesting, this means that you are taking full responsibility for all of your creation and manifestations. This allows you to empower yourself so that you can create the energetic space to receive your dream relationship by letting go of blame and resentment. Let's now move on to tip number 2. Getting into the energy of having. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, when you first had the desire that you wanted to manifest your soulmate relationship, you are in the energy of wanting. Now, this is normal, this is natural. In fact, wanting is part of the manifestation process. Wanting plays a role in the manifestation process. But here's the thing. In order to become an energetic match to your soulmate relationship, you have to be able to shift out of the energy of wanting and into the energy of having. And this is where so many people trip up, including myself once upon a time. People stay stuck in the energy of wanting and are never really able to shift into the energy of having. So examples of this is that you could be somebody right now who is searching for your dream relationship. You're looking out there, you're trying to make it happen. You're putting yourself out there, you're joining all these dating apps, you're trying to script and visualize to make your dream relationship happen, trying to force it into being. These are all indications that you are in the energy of wanting and not in the energy of having. And remember, when you are in the energy of wanting, it means that you are not an energetic match to your dream relationship. Therefore, you cannot manifest it into your experience. Now, a common pitfall that I see all the time is people scripting and visualizing from the energy of wanting. And today, I want to shine some light on this. When you are scripting from the energy of wanting, or if you're visualizing from the energy of wanting, you are counter manifesting. What this means is that you are manifesting the opposite of what you want. Because remember, the universe isn't responding to what you are doing or what you are saying. The universe is responding to your energy, and your energy is dictated by the way that you feel. So when you are scripting or visualizing from the energy of wanting, you are manifesting the opposite of what you want. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Priya, that's great. I understand that I have to be able to shift out of the energy of wanting and into the energy of having. How do I do this? Well, that's simple. By getting into the energy of wholeness. Now, the energy of wholeness says, I am good enough the way that I am lovable the way that I am, and I am worthy the way that I am. Now, when you are dwelling at this state of consciousness, it means that you are feeling so whole and complete from the inside out that you are able to authentically show up as yourself as you are moving through life. And from this state of consciousness, when you open the door from there to focus on your dream relationship, 3 things will happen. Number 1, you feel amazing. You feel so good about yourself and about life. And I think the best way that I can describe this is you begin to feel invincible. Number 2, you stop searching and looking for your soulmate relationship, because you are now in the energy of knowing. You are in the energy of knowing that your soulmate relationship is a done deal and it's on its way to you. You see, when you are in the energy of wholeness, it means that you are in the energy of knowing. And this is a powerful place to be. The third thing that happens is that because you are feeling so whole and complete from the inside out, and you don't need a single thing to change outside of you in order to feel blissful, in order to feel good, the manifestation of your dream relationship will happen super frigging fast. I cannot stress that when you are in this energy of wholeness, it is one of the highest vibrations that you can be dwelling at. This is when you literally have 0 vibrational resistance. And so your manifestation will happen immediately. It will happen super frigging fast. Now, you are aware that in order to become an energetic match to your dream relationship, you have to be able to shift out of the energy of wanting and into the energy of having. Now, a bit later on in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get into the energy of having. But first, if you're finding this content valuable, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post new videos about how to manifest your epic love life. And also, I want to hear from you. Are you somebody that was aware that you are manifesting 24/7? Are you somebody who's currently stuck in the energy of wanting? Comment below and let me know. Finally, let's move on to tip number 3, letting go of attachment. Now, this is probably the biggest misunderstood topic in the manifestation process. So many people believe that when they are letting go of attachment, it means that they are letting go of their desire to manifest their dream relationship. When in reality, this is actually impossible. You cannot let go of your desire. And here's why. We live in a dualistic universe where, hot and cold, light and dark, yin and yang exists. So as long as there is polarity, as long as there is duality, you will always be forming your personal preferences and your desires. Furthermore, the universe expands through your desires. Actually, both you and the universe is expanding through your personal preferences and through your desires. So once you have a desire, you cannot let it go, because this is how expansion occurs. If you were to stop having desires, you and the universe would cease to exist. Furthermore, once you have a desire, the universe, God, your higher self, whatever you want to call it, is on it. What I mean by this is that the universe lays out correlative components on your behalf to make the desire of your dream relationship happen. So what I mean by this is that right now, the manifestation of your dream relationship, it's already queued up for you. It's already lined up for you. The real question is, are you letting it into your experience? Are you allowing yourself to perceive what is already available to you? Now you might be thinking, okay, Priya, this is great. I understand that letting go of attachment has nothing to do with me letting go of my desires. Well then, what am I letting go of? Simply put, you are letting go of the attachment to the how and the when the fruition of your manifestation will occur. Let me repeat that. Letting go of attachment is about you letting go of the attachment to the how and the when the manifestation of your dream relationship will occur. Examples of being attached to the how and the when is that you could be somebody right now who lives in a small town and you desire to manifest your dream partner. And you're thinking to yourself, well, how is this going to happen? There are not enough men or women in my town. This is an indication that you are attached to the how. Another example could be that you are somebody who started to do the energy work. You've started to realign your energy with your dream relationship. But now you're stopping to take score of where your manifestation is. Where is my dream partner? Why isn't he or she here yet? This is an indication that you are attached to the when. And here's what happens when you're attached to the how and the when. This creates vibrational resistance within you, which lowers your vibration, which blocks off the manifestation of your dream relationship. Here's the thing. Your human mind was not designed to work out the how and the when the manifestation of your dream relationship will come to fruition. Your human mind is designed to form personal preferences and to form your desires. It is the job of the universe to work out the how and the when. And this has already been done for you. It is done. Also, when you are attached to the how and the when, this is an indication that you are in the energy of wanting. Because if you are in the energy of having, where you feel so whole and complete from the inside out, which means that you are in a state of knowingness that your dream relationship is a done deal and it's on its way to you, you wouldn't really care about the how and the when. So, you are aware that letting go of attachment has nothing to do with letting go of your desire to manifest your dream relationship. Letting go of attachment is about you letting go of the how and the when the manifestation of your dream relationship will occur. Now, before I share with you how you can get into the energy of having, let's recap everything that you've learned here today. Tip number 1. You are aware that when you acknowledge that you are never not manifesting, this means that you are taking full responsibility for all of your creations and all of your manifestations. This allows you to empower yourself so that you can create the energetic space to receive your dream relationship by letting go of blame and resentment. Tip number 2. You are aware that in order to become an energetic match to your dream relationship, you have to be able to shift out of the energy of wanting and into the energy of having. This is achieved by getting into the energy of wholeness. Tip number 3. Letting go of attachment. You are now aware that letting go of attachment has nothing to do with letting go of the attachment to manifest your dream relationship. Letting go of attachment is about you letting go of the attachment to the how and the when the manifestation of your dream relationship will occur. Now, if you want to learn how to get into the energy of having so that you can manifest your dream relationship with ease and speed, click the link below to get access to my free masterclass where I show you step by step how to do this. Thanks for watching this video on how to manifest your soulmate relationship. Give me a thumbs up if it resonated for you, and I will catch you soon.